Do you want to know how you can clear the cache of Netflix from your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the cache from Netflix. Go ahead and search Netflix, which is on your phone. Tap on it and go to its settings. Click on the eye icon, and then it will take you to its settings. Go ahead and scroll down a bit, and you can see storage. Tap on storage, and you can see the cache over here. Go ahead and click clear cache, and then the cache memory of Netflix will be cleared. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and locate Netflix, tap on it, and go to its settings. Scroll down a bit, tap on storage, and then clear cache. You can see that the cache has been cleared. This was a video on how you can clear the cache of Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.